Hi guys, good afternoon. Right now it's 1:32 p.m. and today's 27th of December 2017. We are just inching ahead towards, the end of this year, which is 2017, and heading towards 2018. So as I was discussing yesterday, make year 2018 as a very, very meaningful year for you. I know, everybody knows about the statistics of the stock market. Only 2% or 3% people actually are in the winning zone. The rest, are in the losing zone. I want you all to migrate from losing in the stock market to the people who are winning in the stock market. So it's important for you to learn. Like when you will learn, you will actually be able to create much more value in your trades. You will be able to trade which are winning trade, and your losses will minimize. So yesterday I had given eclux. It's doing pretty good today. You can see that it's been giving a good return today. We gave it at about 15-20, and this is right now at 1553, about 30%, 30 points up from where we gave it to you, right? Which is about good 2%. And it's a good amount, huge value. So, there are trades that, when you will learn our setup, when you will see how and what's happening in them, the stocks will speak to you. Many of my members traded today in our com are common. They have really minted money, a lot of money they have minted. See the amount, the kind of movement it has given today. You want to see how much it moved in percentage? See here, 32% movement today in one particular stock itself, and it's a penny stock. 20, and members have bought it about this price, roughly about 25.3, and it's at 28.3. Huge profits members have got on this. This is how you can powerfully combine the technicals and the news and create good winning trades for yourself, right? So let's quickly analyze Nifty. What's happening in Nifty? And Nifty looks very, very solid and robust to me. Nifty since morning till now, it was in a range. It was in a narrow range, but suddenly Nifty has turned positive. I'll tell you on what basis I'm saying that I was finding Nifty as, range bound. But now Nifty had a breakout. If you see here, since morning, it took a support on this pivot point, which is 10546. And now a breakout has come into it. And the next target that I see is another definitely 10 to 12 points. And when this was happening, I was pretty much sure even RCOM will go up. In last few minutes, like if you see, RCOM has also had a good momentum, good breakout coming into it. Okay, so now let's go back and analyze Nifty a bit more. What do we expect and what can be kept in mind? So as I told you, I have exited my positions long back. There were many reasons. One is that I was traveling and I thought I wouldn't be able to monitor my trades well, so I exited my trade on this day, right? And I'm waiting for now. Now I'm waiting for for it to. I mean, I'm not doing any trading because I'm in the travel and I don't want to, take an unnecessary risk and not monitor my positions. So this is Nifty. Nifty looks very, very promisingly positive to me. Now let's go to its option chain. So this is 10,500. You can see here there is a call unwinding happening in at all the levels. From here to here, call unwinding happening at all the levels. Means Nifty definitely plans to go up. And if you see the put writing happening at this level, which is also 10,500, 14 lakhs put have been written freshly today. Huge number. So many minus 53, 5 lakh 33 calls unwinding happen, and 14 lakh 72,000 puts have been written here, means concealing the not concealing, but what do you say? Concretizing the Nifty's base at 10,500 means Nifty is not going to go below 10,500, right? That's Nifty's support, very, very strong support right now, right? And if we see where is it heading up to, since morning, it had a great barrier at about 10,550. This I'm talking about cash. Now let's see what's happening in the cash market of Nifty. So that is why Nifty is struggling. Nifty is struggling to be able to have these, breakouts. So if Nifty is right now in cash 10,542, if Nifty crosses the barrier of 10,550 with momentum and remains there, then it has further upward journey. But it's not being able to do so. Futures it has done, but the current market, it's not being able to do so, right? So we'll have to wait for that breakout to happen, right? But till then, those who are in the long position, those who started trading with me in the long positions, they don't need to worry because Nifty looks very solid and positive. All right. So let's go back. Now let's talk about different stocks that I have on my radar. So I am pretty much confident all the stocks that we have given. See, India Glycol has given a good breakout today again. It went up to even 10,400, no, 4,477 also today. Today also it touched that. But I still believe India Glycol has a lot more steam in it. It can still further go up. There's nothing to worry about, right? Let's see what's happening in tin plate also I gave, right? I gave tin plate also, which is also looking fine to me today. No need to worry about it. Tin plate is also looking good. Walchand Nagar is also looking good. There is no issue about it. I'm finding all of them very, very good, right? So one or two stocks that again I have found for the, next year. Some of the stocks that I've found for the next year, in one of them I'm giving you national fertilizers. The only condition I have here is that it should be above 71 rupees, right? The moment it goes above 71 rupees, you can enter into it because then it will be technically, correct for us to enter into this particular stock. Fine. So that is one stock I'm giving you for the next year. You can keep it in your radar, on your radar, and get good profits. So this is one day. Until it crosses this hump out here, like which is 71 or 72 rupees will be a good opportunity for you to buy. 72 is my buy price for, national fertilizers. Keep it on your radar, buy when you get the opportunity, and leave it for a longer duration. Leave it for a good long duration. You will get good benefit out of it. Okay, yesterday you remember I discussed about All Cargo. Again, All Cargo had a good breakout today. Again, All Cargo had a good breakout today. I mean, now I feel it definitely is heading up. This is definitely heading up. So what I believe now, for the next 2-3 days, which is 28th and 29th and 30th, there may be not much of trading that may happen, because this is All Cargo, right? So All Cargo looks very, very solid to me because it has broken multiple time resistance of 200. Now it is at 213. Next level that I see is 221. And if it crosses 221, I definitely look at 250, right? So hold it in your All Cargo is also my stock for the next year. Keep it on your in your portfolio. You may be seeing good numbers out here, right? All right. So few other stocks that I want to show you, which my member have given. One of them was Nahar. Let me just show you. Oh my God, this is, like, okay, so let me just get it for you. Nahar. I want to show you what kind of profit my members are generating, what kind of stocks they are identifying, and what kind of profits they are generating. right? So let me just show you. If I can't, then I'll show you here. I'll show you here. So I'm going to remove this and I'll show you Nahar. Nahar Capital and Finance. And see the breakout this stock has given today. Look at the movement. Look at the movement. This is the movement it's given in 2 days. My member could find it at 158 and 158 to 220 in 2 days, right? Means 40 plus 20, 60 rupees, 60 rupees profit, 62 rupees profit in just 2 days on a stock of 150, 160 rupees. That means good about 30-35% profit in this stock one can get. The other stock that I have on my radar is Goa Carbon. Keep it with you. Like the moment there's a pivot point here, it's on pivot point here, 873. If it opens tomorrow above it, I'm 100% sure it is heading up. And what numbers can you look for Goa Carbon? So the first target that I see for Goa Carbon is 878, 900, then I see 950, then I see 1000. These are my numbers, 900, 950 and 1000. These are my targets for Goa Carbon, right? So when you want to be in the market, you have to learn about the market and you have to understand the market and you have to enter at the right time and then exit at the right time. Exit policy have told you what you have to do. Convert your candles into high Kanishi candle. And whenever you get a red candle which goes below the 10 moving average, exit the trade. Exit the trade, right? That's how we plan. Those who don't want to learn at all anything to do with technical analysis, just do one thing. Take up some monopoly stock like Goa Carbon or Flips Carbon or Granule, or maybe you can even take these life sciences stocks, 𝐿𝐻𝐕𝐄 Bio, or you can take Suvan Life Sciences, or you can take, HEG, or you can take various other, Graphite India and Flips Carbon. Just put the high Kanishi candle and take a longer time frame. Longer time frame means you can take always about, say, 1 day is good, or if you want, you can even make it 1 week, right? Make it 1 week and enter whenever you find the stock on the candles on a support, and also when you find, that what happened, why it's not moving. So always find, whenever you find the stock on a support, you can buy it, right? So this is how, like whenever the candles become positive, the green candle, you remain in the positive, you remain on the buy side, and the moment, a red candle appears which is below the 10 moving average, you can exit your stock. That could be your strategy on, stocks. So Zerodha has almost stopped working right now. So let me go back here and I'll show you another stock which my members gave, which was Godavari Power and Ispat. This is the stock member had given at 195 or 196. This is the moment this particular stock has given in how many trading sessions? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 days, the money has doubled, right? 190 to 360. This is the movement this particular stock has given. So how do you find such stocks? Like there will be many such options, available to you. How do you filter them out, right? And how do you be in the people who are who are the like-minded people, who are trading, who are finding out, searching out the similar stocks? You need to be in the group of people who are like-minded, who want to learn, who want to earn, and who have just one single focus to select a good stock and enter into it, right? So we will be starting our webinar on 6th of January, and I'm really inviting you all to join that, because our investment is about 30,000 rupees, but what you get back is lifelong learning. 1, 2, the stocks on the verge of having breakout, and your money will be recovered within next 2 months. If you, let's say you have 50,000 in your account, you will be able to recover every single penny that you're investing. And we will be starting our Hindi webinar on 21st of January. Those who are interested in Hindi webinar can also join in at that time. All right. So I'm really looking for you whenever you join, and beware of people who are making zero that has stuck up. So please be aware of people who are actually using StockPro channel. StockPro as a channel which basically is not like the correct one. So on Telegram channel also, if you go, you will be able to find some StockPro with the double O. If you really want to have, be aware, be careful about which channel are you joining. Don't get cheated by people. As I repeatedly say, I don't have problem with people who cheat you. I have problem with people who get cheated, right? Because they've been somewhere, not really been careful. So be pretty alert and careful about what you're doing. What are you joining and where are you? Be aware of that. And please don't, if something goes wrong, means you are responsible, not they, because their job is to cheat you. But you need to be aware that StockPro, you have to join from my YouTube, right? Where do you have to go? You have to join StockPro from my YouTube channel, right? StockPro channel here. You have to join my YouTube channel from StockPro. Okay, so today there's nothing seems to be working. So don't worry, but my YouTube channel. Go there, enter from there, and trade from there, right? Join the Telegram channel from there. Nowhere else but from my YouTube channel is where you will join in. So let me just take you to my YouTube channel and show you exactly what you have to do. So this is my channel. And when you go to my any of the YouTube video, you will be able to see all the details here, right? You will be able to see all the details here. Just go to the description box, show more, and you get every single thing here. You get my website, you get my Telegram channel, right? You get my Facebook, you get my Twitter account, you get my email info@stockprotraining.com. Every detail that you want, you can call upon this number, right? And you have everything that you want to know about us given over here, right? And I really want you all, Pushpendra, Samir, and Sarabjit, you have my WhatsApp number here. You can just click and see what's happening. What number is this? Then thank you all for watching my video, and continue learning. Without learning, please don't enter the market, right? Now let me quickly come back and see what's happening in Nifty, right? I think Zero is not working, so I'm going to show you from here. Nifty, what's happening in Nifty? Let me show you what's happening in Nifty, and then from there we'll take a call. So finally, the movement has come into the cash market also, right? Finally, the momentum has come in the cash market as well, right? It has to cross, now it has to cross 10,550. If it crosses that with momentum and volume, then Nifty is heading up to 10,600. That's it. That's going to be its next target. So let me take you back here to the option chain and see what's happening in that. Is there any change or anything that I can predict from there? Let me do that. So definitely Nifty is not going down. So the next target that you see here is 10,550, right? And Nifty is not going below 10,500 today. That's what I believe. And with this, I'm signing off, but I'm waiting for you all to be there at the webinar. And for the next couple of days, there may not be much momentum in the market, right? Reason being, it will be basically a holiday time for many people. Even FIS, DIS will be, you know, busy with holidaying. So I believe the volumes will be lesser. So work carefully. Don't expose much of your capital. And I think from the first week of January, once again, momentum, huge momentum will come in the market, and market looks very, very positive to me. Fine. With this, I'm signing off. See you there. See you at the webinar. Call up, talk, watch as many videos as you can. And as I have told you repeatedly, you must have two determinations to resolve for the new year. One, that you're going to learn about the market, then enter into the market, or second is that you will not lose money no matter what. You know, if year on year you've been losing money, you have to resolve not even single penny I'm going to lose now onwards. That resolve you have to make so that you can implement that. Your determination makes actions like that. You know, like when you resolve, you will be very careful. You will not just buy anybody suggesting your stock. So mentally you have to be very, very strong when you are in the stock market, and you have to have a resolve that I'm not going to lose money no matter what, with the belief that you all will have very, very profitable trades in year 2018. I'm signing off, but create a portfolio of monopoly stocks, right? Good day. Bye bye. See you tomorrow.